Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. And today I'm going to be unboxing the new Mielle Organics product line, the Avocado and Tamanu. I think that's how you say it. So join me in the video. Okay, so let's just get into it. I just picked up the new Avocado and Tamanu, I think that's how you say it, Tamanu or Tamanu line by Mielle Organics. It's the one where you're supposed to kind of cool or refrigerate to activate for less frizz and all of that. So we're just going to get into it today. This is the box that came in the mail. So I'm going to go ahead and just take everything out. Got a lot of bubble wrap in there. Okay, so this is the new line. Comes with a card in there. Let me get it in there so you guys can see. Hopefully the camera will focus to let you see it. See, is it focusing? It might be too bright. Let me bring it back some. Anyway, this is the line. It is the Avocado and Tamanu Blend Collection. It comes with, so what I'm going to do is just bring everything up so you guys can see it. I think I'll bring it in on the screen too, so that way you can get a really good look at it. But it's the new Avocado and Tamanu Blend, the anti-frizz system. Apparently this system is supposed to, you're supposed to refrigerate it to activate, so it has to be like a cold application technology is what it's saying. So I'm really excited. It's supposed to also be where you can use it for curly, and then you can also use it for straight, right? So I love that about it, because you have one system here that works for either curly or straight together. So it's going to be interesting. And this is why I always tell you guys that I was a true Mielle, and I still am. It's just the products that some of the products by her that I was using, it seems like my hair just didn't, you know, sometimes you can get used to something and you're just not getting the result. Like, you got to try something new. And I think it's good for me to explore different product lines, and I started to do that. But every time I begin to do it, Mielle always drops something, and and she dropped this one, and I just could not pass it up. So I did order it on the day that it dropped. And I ordered this and paid for it with my own money, so this is non-sponsored. So yeah, but you know, hey Mielle, holler at me, you know what I'm saying? Holler at me. Anyway, so let's get into it. So okay, so first up we have the Avocado Tamanu Anti-Frizz Shampoo. I'm going to also bring it on the screen so you guys can see. Okay, and you're supposed to gently cleanse with the shampoo. It's a sulfate-free shampoo. Let me see what it says about it here. It says apply anti-frizz shampoo to wet hair and then lather, and rinse thoroughly and repeat shampoo if necessary, and then follow with Mielle Avocado and Tamanu Anti-Frizz Conditioner. It says that the Mielle Avocado Tamanu Anti-Frizz Collection is formulated for textured hair to help reduce frizz triggered by damage, dryness, and humidity. These silicone-free products leverage the power of avocado oil to help smooth, seal, and add shine to the hair, while nutrient-rich Tamanu oil supports healthy scalp. It says use for longer-lasting curly or straight styles. The Avocado and Tamanu Anti-Frizz Shampoo replenishes moisture and gives the hair a clean slate as it gently removes residue from the hair and scalp. It leaves the hair feeling soft, smooth, prepped for frizz-free styling. Okay, so that is the shampoo. So we're just gonna smell it. Okay, let's just smell it here. I love also that it's in the little push. Okay, this smells like, it doesn't smell bad. It smells sort of clean, but it almost smells like some type of hand soap that I've used from Bath and Body Works. That's kind of what it smells like, but it smells good. Like I said, it's not too loud. I love for my hair to smell good, but I don't like anything in my hair that's like overpowering, so it's definitely not that. Okay, again, I love And let me just say, I love the colors too, the gold and the greens and the limes, and yeah, it's a nice little vibe. And I love that this is in a pump release for the shampoo. Okay, so that's the shampoo. Okay, so next up we have the Avocado Tamanu Anti-Frizz Conditioner. Okay, and what it says about the conditioner is that it nourishes and smooths the hair for increased manageability and easier detangling, leaving the hair feeling softer, shinier, and prepped for frizz-free styling. It also says that you should rinse in cool water for the last 5 seconds to seal the cuticle. Now, these two don't say anything about refrigeration, okay? It's just regular or whatever. Okay, so that's these two. So let me open up the conditioner. I know it's going to smell the same, but I want to kind of show you guys the consistency too. It's a rinse out conditioner, so it smells the same. The conditioner is it's a very light, kind of like a light lotion. Okay, light lotion. So that is the conditioner. Okay. And I love that it's in a pump bottle too. Very cute. And I love it because, well, I love pump bottles, but sometimes, honey, I be cutting them open and just getting everything out. Okay, you have to get everything out. You can't leave nothing in there. Okay, nothing. All right, so next up is the leave-in conditioner. Okay, the leave-in conditioner. And let's see what it says about the leave-in conditioner. It says that you need to apply this for the first layer of protection. Now this one says that refrigerate to activate. So I guess I'm gonna be putting hair products in the refrigerator, but I'm gonna do it because I want to see what's gonna happen here. But it's called the Anti-Frizz Slip and Seal Leave-In Conditioner. And what it says on the back of this is that, of course, it's for curly. It gives you directions for curly styles and for straight styles. And then it says you need to shake well before use. After rinsing conditioner, spray anti-frizz slip and seal leave-in conditioner on damp hair, section hair, and gently detangle with the wide tooth comb from ends to roots for even distribution. Do not rinse. And then it just has here to chill and style. That's on the back label. I'm just reading the back label here. But then it tells you what is cold application technology, and it says, you know, frizz happens, damage, dryness, or humidity cause cuticles on the surface of the hair to open, creating frizz. The Mielle solution is to try the exclusive cold application technology, which uses a cold on contact approach to help close hair cuticles in place and help reduce frizz during styling. So you have to refrigerate the smoothing sealing avocado leave-in to amplify anti-frizz protection. So yeah, we're gonna see, because I have been still trying to, after all these years, perfect my wash and go, right? So I am hoping that, and let me just say this, I don't mind a little bit of frizz, but my hair is so thick in the curly state, like, oh, I love it, but it's work, number one. It's a lot of work, but I want to perfect the wash and go. And so I'm gonna try this line with the wash and go when I rinse out, you know, bring my curls back here probably in the next couple of days. I've been kind of rocking this silk press. I just did like a flexi rod set on it, and yeah, so I've been rocking that for a couple of days too, but it's time to wash it. And yeah, so I'm gonna use these since I got them in the mail and they came fairly quickly. So yeah, so this is the leave-in conditioner. All right, I'm sure I love that it comes in a little spray pump. And let's just smell it. I know everything smells the same, but I don't know why I like to smell everything. Now this is not too liquidy. It's kind of like a watered down kind of conditioner, maybe like a water conditioner is almost like this, but probably watered with a little water. Now I'm not saying she put this as water. I mean, I'm not saying that it's just water. That's not what I'm saying. But it's just a little bit finer there. Okay. All right. So that is the leave-in conditioner. Now, step 4 is, what is that on me? Something popped off of that. Okay. Step 4 then is going to be, okay. Step 4 is the, all right. So step 4 is going to be, if you're doing a straight style, then it would be the serum. If you're doing a curly style, step 4 is the curl perfector. Okay. And these also have to be refrigerated. Okay. So the serum is basically, it's pretty much everything's the same. It's just that what it says here is that it helps with the Stay Straight serum. So basically it smooths, helps reduce frizz and adds shine up to 450 degrees heat protection for textured hair prone to frizz. Okay. So I can't wait to try this when I do my hair blow dried out next time. Yeah, it's consistent with the smell. So that is the serum. The Stay Straight serum is what they call that. And then the anti-frizz curl protector comes in a jar like this. Okay. And let me open that up. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what the ounce is. And so the anti-frizz leave-in conditioner is 8 ounces, and the serum is 6 ounces. Okay, 6 ounces. Okay. And then the curl perfector is 12 ounces. Okay. And it's, you know, just a creamy texture here. The texture is, yeah, it's a little thicker than the conditioner, the rinse out conditioner. Okay, just a little bit thicker. And it smells, I swear it smells like some hand soap that I've bought before from Bath and Body Works. But it smells good, just very clean and light. Okay, so that is the Mielle Avocado and Tamanu line. And again, this is the card that comes with it to tell you how to use it. I have been seeing it like float around on Instagram and on I don't think I've seen it on TikTok or anything, but it's kind of been floating around. They are really advertising for it. So yeah, so if you're interested, pick it up. But I want to ask you right now, I'm going to take a pause, and if you already have the line, if you will comment below and let me know like how you use it, what did you think about it when you tried it. I would love to hear back from you to see like how you feel about it. So let me know, and I will be doing a video here shortly in the next couple of days with me demoing this line, right? Yeah, so watch out for that. So that is it. That is the Avocado and Tamanu line again. Thank you, Mielle, and I will be trying that out for you guys. So yeah, and I think that's it for today's video. And I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that I got the new by Mielle, and I did. And yeah, so as I always say at the end of my videos, always choose joy. Every day, honey, choose joy. See you guys in my next video. Bye.